And now, Admonition, brought to you by the Collierville Church of Christ.
In 2 Samuel chapter 2, and in verse 4 we read, "Then the men of Judah came, and there they anointed David king over the house of Judah." These leaders of Judah come and they anoint David as their king. Let me ask you a question. Whoever gave them authority to anoint a king? Well, the answer is no one. Samuel had already anointed David as king, and it was simply a matter of waiting until Saul's life was over before he would take that throne, or have it given to him by God, that is. These men had no authority to anoint David or to oppose him, because he was the Lord's anointed.
For more from the Collierville Church of Christ, visit colliervillecoc.org.